Right, this is the Adelaide Old Fart. We've just turned off Port Wakefield Road. We're now on Middle Beach Road, heading down towards Middle Beach. Plan is to just cruise around and explore lots of the dirt roads out here. It's all dead flat because it's seaplane, but there's lots of gravel. Should be a bit of fun. Well, that's the plan anyway. And here's the first bit of gravel. Greenhouses, I wonder what they're growing. And is it legal? Well, the paddock on our right's been cropped. You can see it's been cut short. I don't know about the one on our left. Cattle out there, so maybe that one's only used for grazing. And of course I don't know how often they plant out here either. Very low, it could quite easily be salty. And this part of the road's subject to flooding. Is this the Gawler River we're coming past? Doesn't tell us. Whoa, a depth marker goes up to 2 metres. That'll be a lot of water. But yeah, in the past we've had big flood events out in this area. Very rare, I must add. The water covers hundreds of hectares. For the simple reason it's so flat. And here we are, the bustling township of Middle Beach. Follow some of those tracks, but I suspect I'll wind up in someone's backyard if I tried that. Please obey speed limits. It sounds a bit pleading, doesn't it? These would all be holiday houses within half an hour of the northern edge of the city. So, you know, quick and easy to get away for the weekend. What do you do once you're here? I think I just saw mangroves over to me, right? And here we are, the bustling metropolis on Middle Beach. giddy aunt. Oh, here's the boat ramp into the river. Take you out through the mangroves. Now, I guess you can go inland as well as outland. Well, we're here at low tide. Oh, actually not quite. Tide's still going down. Okay. Boat parked out in the middle of nowhere. Yeah, looks like you can drive right along Middle Beach. Front end of the shacks. Swamp grass would be good fishing when the water's all the way up. By the looks of the weed, it comes all the way up to where we're riding. Yeah, raft out there. And a little boat here. I guess you row out to the raft at high tide and fish off the raft. Well, that seems to make a lot of sense. In this case, paddle. It looks like that's a converted sailboat. Heading in amongst the mangroves. Cool, some of these shacks are a bit tatty. Been here a long time, some of them relatively new. But I suspect you'd only come out here to go fishing and bird watching. This is a bird sanctuary area. Just a little rowboat, you could row in amongst it. Not this stuff immediately here, you'd have to stay in the channel, of course. Don't know what the currents will be like as the tide's coming in and out. I better concentrate or you'll get to see me film myself falling off. There's the road. And no through road apparently. Boats up there. Yeah, Educational Recreation Centre. Well, I might wander in there and have a look. So we're on Smith Road. been cropped. Should have found out more about this area before coming out, so I had something to tell you. But I didn't. Yeah, I wonder where this left-hand road goes. Down towards the beach, and that would be good. Davis Road. I do believe there's a gun club out here somewhere from what I saw on the maps. And I've heard some banging in the distance. More greenhouses. I'd love to know what they're growing. There's no indication of it, of what it is. Which of course doesn't mean anything. And some sort of operation going on here. What's that? McAvoy Street maybe, or something like that. Something I couldn't read because it was peeling off. Very different soil here to what we were on. The other stuff was very hard and crumbly. This is much darker, very soft. There we are, there's the limestone coming through again. Guess this would be a limestone area. Old sea floor. Oh, this might be mud deposited by whatever river it was that was coming out here. Main thing out here is salt wash. Looks like it's all been planted. Not sure why you'd plant salt bush, except to stabilise the ground, of course. There seems to be a heck of a lot of it. Now, coming up to a high ridge. The road's subject to flooding. Ah, we have here a river. A river. I'll see if I can stop at the middle and show it to you. Reeds there, so it's wet underground. Quite a deep one. Big gums up there, so obviously water's collected and trapped here. Yeah. Okay, now that I've stopped at the bottom, let's get out.